morning, greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video, another episode of the vlog. I'm in my room. It is morning time. Just fed the kids breakfast and cleaned out the dishwasher and all that fun stuff. I haven't eaten anything yet, but I'm waiting. I don't know. I'm waiting for my parents to come downstairs and decide what we're gonna eat. My dad has the day off today, which is pretty nice. And yeah, so we're just gonna spend a nice day at the house as, you know, per usual. But I don't know, I have my windows, my curtains open. It's a nice sunshiny day today. It's a little bit of a bummer that it's like gonna get cold again and it's literally supposed to rain again on Saturday. But you know what? It's okay. At least we're gonna enjoy the sunshine right now and I'm very excited about it. I'm sitting at my desk. I don't know why. I don't have really anything to do at the moment. I did want to work on some stuff, but I think right now we're going to head out. I think maybe we should make a dalgona coffee. I've been making my coffees really late it's not even the day. It's like at night time. I make them at like 8 o'clock. But then I'm not someone that caffeine really, I feel like, I don't know, is that just me? Like caffeine doesn't really affect me too much. It's like really weird because I can literally have like coffee right before I go to bed and like I'll be able to go to sleep in like 2 seconds. I feel like I'm not someone that ever has really trouble going to sleep. I can just fall asleep really easily. Like my dad is like totally the opposite. Even if he has a little bit of caffeine like in the afternoon, it gives him problems sleeping at night. So it's really weird, but I'm like my mom. We can like drink like a cup of coffee right before bed and be able to go to sleep really easily. So I don't know. Anyway, let's head over to the kitchen. Kids are here. They're doing their school stuff. It's nice and sunny outside. It's really pretty. Alright, you guys, time to make the dalgona. Very exciting. Yes, mother. Ooh, look at how good this looks. It's so fluffy. Yes. So that after I add in the cocoa powder mixture and then we're gonna mix it up again. Alright, we are ready to assemble. Alright, these coffees look so delicious. Okay guys, so today mom wants to make, what kind of sandwiches or burger is it, mom?
Burger bun.
No, but you wanted to make
Hula burger.
Hula burgers, but we don't have any buns. So she took it upon herself to make her own bread. So this is what's happening currently. Wow. Okay, mom's over here rolling up some bread. Ooh, mom. I wonder how these are going to turn out.
I know. I hope it's good.
Me too.
But I'm going to be very sad.
Are you gonna bake it right now or are you gonna bake it later? You have to wait for it to like rise or something?
Going to rise. Make it
my gosh, that's so funny.
I don't know.
I think our Costco order just came, which is so exciting. Okay, so this is like our second order that got delivered today. I didn't film the first one when we brought it in, but that was from Costco, and I think this one's from Sam's Club. But look at this giant thing of like ground beef. It's huge. I didn't even know they sold those.
Wait,
but I'm so excited.
Comparison.
Look at Yasmin's tiny little hand. Look at that turkey bacon. That's the good turkey bacon. I'm very excited for that. Chips, chicken. Perfect. Look at mom's bread from the oven. It's been rising and now they're starting to deflate. Here's them without the plastic so you guys can see. I'm really excited. We actually just got an order of bread in too, so just in case this didn't work out, but it looks like it worked out pretty well. Okay, so now mom is applying some melted butter
some melted butter on the rolls.
Oh, she's putting a lot. It's gonna be delicious. Oh. So then, if you guys want this recipe, just bother her on itsHadrian's mom on Instagram and she'll be forced to give it to you. Because I didn't film her making it, she just made it randomly.
Because I wasn't sure if this is good. This is a practice recipe.
Okay, if it's good, we'll let you know because she's not sure about this recipe.
First time I made it, so we'll see.
It looks pretty good. Anything with butter is gonna be delicious anyway.
Yes.
You should just pour that whole thing in there.
According to Grandma Pauline.
Pauline.
Forgot her name.
Okay, so mom's making the burgers. So far she put some salt and pepper and garlic salt inside, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so pink Himalayan sea salt, garlic salt, and pepper. And she's just mixing it all up. Delicious. The buns are about to go in the oven once the oven reaches the appropriate temperature.
425.
Also, look at all the meat that we got today from mom's orders. Chicken thighs, which we haven't had in forever. There's... Ooh, I should have done a food haul, but I was too busy disinfecting everything. It's hard to do a food haul when you need to disinfect stuff. But we have a ton of fruits. We have avocados, tons of lime, 1 million oranges, cantaloupe, and 1 million bananas. So apparently mom ordered everything this morning and they said that they were going to take 5 days to get here, but everything just came today. So I don't know if you guys want to order stuff. You used the Instacart, but you used the Costco app and then Instacart for Sam's because Sam's doesn't have like a thing on the website. You have to go through
Costco,
Instacart.
when I order, it takes them like 5 days.
Crazy.
You know, like the last 2.
Alright, so now mom is forming the patties. These are going to be the kids' patties because she's going to make them not spicy. The other ones for the adults, she's going to make them spicy. Are you going to put pepper flakes or what are you going to put inside to make them spicy?
I'm going to put cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper. Yum.
That's the little burger that we used to make, good.
I love
That's
it.
the one that we used to make before in the old house.
I love a good Hula burger.
Just in case they want another.
Alright, now mom's adding the cayenne pepper. Woo! So
yummy.
So exciting. Hey guys, I'm cooking up a little sample of the meat so I can try it to make sure it's delicious. Guys, look at these buns.
They are
They smell so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. There's a pineapple. We're gonna get some mushrooms right there. There's onion. Ooh, dinner is gonna be so delicious. Mom's bread also looks so delicious. I want 2 burgers, one with this and one with the other bread. Then I'm gonna decide which one's better. Alright, you guys, we're actually gonna make our burgers in the panini griddle gourmet press. Also, people were asking what brand we have. It's the Griddler Gourmet by Cuisine Art. But I mean, anyone would really do, I think.
Yeah.
Mom also cut up some potatoes and we're making some French fries, which I'm very excited about because I have been craving French fries very intensely. I almost considered getting some from McDonald's. So here's mom, she's cutting up some more French fries. Do you remember back when we were little and it was like really in to get like that machine that like cuts the French fries for you? It's like really easy. And you just like put it inside and it goes and then your potatoes come out. We had that one, I know when we were little. We still have it? It's faster. When you're a top chef, it's faster. It'll take me 8 years to cut that. Maybe.
Good.
Mas mabilis means it's faster in Tagalog. Wala pang hugasan means then there's nothing to wash.
anything.
other than the knife and the board.
Yep. Yep.
And then we're just frying them in here. They look so yummy. They already smell delicious. I cannot wait. Alright you guys, sorry I didn't show you this yet, but we just stuck the beef in right now. So I'm pretty excited over this. Alright, here's our second set of patties ready to go. Here are the first ones I just took out. They look delicious. How much do you like your food, Eliza? You know Grandma made the burger bun. Is it delicious? Wow. Grandma's McDonald's. Now Mom's gonna grill our pineapples. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so delicious. Hey guys, here is the burger. It looks so delicious. We have the grilled pineapple. Then we have the meat, the cheese. We have the caramelized onions. We have mushroom, and then we have Japanese mayo and ketchup. Ooh. Hey guys, dinner was so good. I've been cleaning up the kitchen. I'm almost done. Gotta put away the grill thing, clean out the countertops, and all this. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Ooh, and the bread. Extra. Forgot about that.